So, here we are again, back in the plow truck. It is another Friday, and we have snow, and actually a fair amount this time.
All right.
So, it's only just beginning now, but it's looking like it's going to be a bit of a significant storm for us, which is well past when we normally would get it, so I'm okay with that. We'll take it, we'll get it done, we'll go from there. Just out here at Lakeside, my normal spot, talking to the guy in charge out here today. The super is probably at this point on a plane headed to Florida. Bugger. Anyway, it's his anniversary, so congratulate him and his wife, Sharon. They are going to Florida to celebrate. But of course, as soon as he gets on the plane, things start happening, which is where we're at now. So we have snow, we had a water break, we have drivers that can't make it in. It's construction.
Fuck me, that was fast.
That's what it is. Anyway, I am just checking on the boys here now. They're doing good. We had some complaints about some slippery surfaces, so just wanted to make sure that was good. Yeah. And we're going to go from there. So I'm going to go back out front and start scraping. And Ashton's on the side here. I don't know if you can see him there or not, but down below, working away on that side lot. And I will go out front and start that. Just come down here to check on Lyle. Looks like he's doing okay. Working away, cleaning up, looks good. And I'm gonna go back up here now that I know he's here. We'll go from there. Roads are really slick. So it's going. Just finished up the front of Lakeside once. Now I'm just heading over. It's over at the college. Just gonna break this one open a little bit. Keep this one opened up, hopefully, and bounce back and forth, I guess. The roads are getting pretty slick.
So remember, call Mr. Plow. That's my name. That name again is Mr. Plow.
Like, pretty slick. Sliding all over the place. Salt is definitely going to be an important thing today, I think.
It's a long road ahead.
We'll see how the rest of the day goes, obviously. You go from there. Just take it little by little. Well, it is going.
Going? Gone?
It is snowing really hard now. Things are extremely slippery. Everyone is calling about stuck trucks.
What the hell is even that?
At Cisco and at Coke, and of course MS Power. We're working our way through it, slow and steady, trying to get everything semi-passable, but at this point it's just coming down faster than you can deal with it.
I'm not doing anything.
We're scraping, but like I said, as soon as I turn around and start going in a different direction, what I just plowed is already snow covered and accumulated.
Right.
So it's a hard battle right now. Not to mention impossible to keep your windows and mirrors clear and everything else. Everything else just keeps getting clogged up with snow. Try to keep the heat on enough to keep everything melted, but then you roast inside the truck. So it's a constant thing, back and forth. Anyway, oh, it is getting slipperier and slipperier. I did not turn that much. That is where the truck went. It's getting greasy. Very, very greasy. Yeah. It's not looking like this is going to be a fun one. It's already starting out pretty rough. I won't lie. But, like I said, I'll get there. Yeah, see, I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm going sideways somehow. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta go. We're gonna finish cleaning up in between these cars. And then go from there, I guess. Keep trudging ahead little by little. It's all we can do. Everyone else is doing good. It's just, it's slippery and there's a lot of snow. So if you don't need to be on the roads, get off them.
All right, this is goddamn ridiculous.
Stay off them. Because this is what your plow drivers are dealing with.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Now, mind you, I don't have the best of tires on this truck either. So that is definitely part of it, but it's not fun, I can tell you that. Anyway, we'll be back in a little bit.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right.
So, it's going. We're still working away. It's actually lightened up a little bit, which is kind of nice. So it's not quite as bad as it had been, but we're starting to get ahead of it a little bit. It's still really slippery, extremely slippery, unfortunately. And there's my first fuel call. Okay, so just one sec.
Gary said, "Hey dude, I'm gonna fuel. Would you like to reply?"
Yes,
What do you want to say to Gary?
on my way.
It says, "On my way." Send it?
Yes.
Done.
So I'll go fuel him up. Ashton's over here working in this side lot, doing a good job. Gary's in the skid steer this time, and Jordan, we're trying in the loader today just to see how he makes out. But other than that, all good. So I'm going to get my way back in behind here and get him some fuel, and we'll be back in a minute. There he is. There we go. It's all fueled up for another probably day or two. We used it one storm before, and I forgot to fill it up last time, so makes sense why he's calling for fuel now. But yeah, it's starting to lighten up a bit, which is nice. That's actually good news. The storm might be subsiding. And there goes my phone again. So I will be back. So we are still going. I don't know what time it is right now, but it's still daylight, so it can't be that late yet. It's just starting to feel later because I'm getting tired. But it's going. The snow is lightening up again, so I don't know if maybe this is the new end of the storm or the new lighten up point, because it was coming down really hard again. A lot of the progress we had made, we lost. So while I was waiting to see what this did, I just came over here to the college to try to get this one done once properly anyway. Make sure we get all the spots done. So I'm working on that now. And then once I get this one finished up, I'll go back over to Lakeside across the road there again. And we will get that side done. So we'll see. We will see. We will see. Who is that now? Is that Phil? Phil might be actually out here now. Let's go see who all these people are that are pulling in here to hang out while I'm the only one here plowing.
Daddy, chill.
$800 studded.
I couldn't tell you. I don't know. I didn't see
I think
what
that's
they
what
paid.
Brady says it was for these. $800 for 4 of them studded.
Yeah.
And those 20-inch road cruisers or whatever were like $1,200.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
What they're paying for those.
Wow. These Cooper ones are junk. I don't like these, but like I said to Brady, because he said about getting me a set of tires, and at first I was just like, well, I don't really need them. I can manage, but today it's a bit of a struggle, I gotta say. I'm spending more time going sideways than I am straight ahead.
Even if they got you just the snows, like this size snows, what same size as what yours are, 18s, fucking put a set of them on.
Yeah.
Because I think they charge like 30, it's anywhere from $20 to $40 a stud, so it's probably only $600 for a set of fucking better tires.
Yeah.
Right? So you'd be way better off.
Yeah. Alright, there's Nick. I gotta take that.
Alright, bud.
I'll talk to you after.
Later.
Bye. Hello. Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
I can't find that f***ing list Anthony gave me, but there hasn't been a shoveler up here all day.
There has not been a shoveler up there all day. Okay.
Nope.
Alright, let me dig through my truck here and find my list.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we got that straightened out. Shovelers were an issue again, but the ones that were doing that location didn't get called right away, so they're on their way in now to get that one done. And I am just working on out front now, trying to get this front section cleaned up a bit. I think the snow may be actually starting to let off.
Nice.
I've heard rumors, the radar says 5 o'clock now, which honestly I would not argue about. I'd take that. That's just the other guy. So yeah, we'll just work our way at it here and continue on. On a side note, we've had a couple of breakdowns. Garfield blew a hose, and so he's got that fixed now. One of the other plow guys, one of his connections went on his plow, so we had up and down, but no side to side. So we got that fixed. So he's back up and running. So it hasn't been without issue, but it is going at all the locations, moving along. So that's literally all I can ask for at this point, is just to keep things moving and keep things being cleared.
Yes! That's awesome!
And then, as of like right now, when it starts to slow down a bit and we start getting on top of it, then we can start sending people around to start cleaning up some of the other ones that maybe didn't get done yet because of the priority. But yeah, it's coming. Well, I can see again for a little bit anyway, until it gets covered up again. I don't see a lot of movement down there where Lyle's supposed to be. I don't know if he's taking a break or what, or he might be out back, I guess. Jordan's doing really good in the loader, which is good. Gary's doing good in the skid. Nick and Vern are doing okay up at Cisco. They're having a lot of troubles with, obviously, all the trucks coming in and out, but that's part of it, I guess. I mean, they're open for operation, so same as this place. You gotta work around the people. It is what it is when it comes to snow removal.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah, she's coming down pretty good again. Now that said, these are some bigger snowflakes, and a lot of times bigger flakes tends to lead to less accumulation.
What?
So we'll see. We'll see. It could just be because it's a little warmer right now too. It's warm enough that it's actually starting to come off of the truck a bit. So I don't know. It's hard to say what will happen. So I guess some good news. I was just talking to some guys and it looks like it's just about stopped in Bedford.